is March 11, 2025. So weather update, it's 16 degrees Celsius diri sa Taiwan. And sa iyo kami nigikan, kay we're going to sa tama to?
Sun and Moon Lake.
Yeah, and we're so excited. I'm check, it's 5:30 in the morning. Early sa ta kay layo jud ang Sun Moon Lake, di ba?
Padung mi sa bus stop, guys. Since close pa man ang MRT, so mag-bus na lang mi. Let's go.
Na namin inside sa Taipei main station, guys, and nagline na lang mi for our tickets. So diri na ninyo kuhaon. There is my SHR. Nindot kay guys kay nakatipid gid mi ba kay buy one take one, and first time na mo musakay og speed train, di ba? Like exciting kaayo. And we'll see you guys later. Yes, nanami ticket, guys. So kaning ticket na-book na mo ni siya sa Klook Good, and you can use our code as well para sa naamoy discount. That's Lane 23 Klook, guys. So let's go! Excited. Yung first time pag ginatong mo sa kayo speed train, di ba?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited, and we are going to Taichung, guys.
Yes, see
From
you.
Taipei main station to Taichung.
Bye-bye.
See you, guys.
See you later. Alligator. Finally, na namin diri inside sa speed train and window seat. And kamera doon sa akong babe diri nga side.
Yeah.
Diba? Nice guy.
Mura jud na sa
guys, is musakay taning bus going to Sun Moon Lake.
Yes, guys. See you later.
Yeah.
Sa Sun Moon Lake.
Yes, muli pag-abot yun.
Yeah.
Mag-breakfast ta. Kay gutom na. Kita pa may kananan. Tugnaw gihapon ay maskin init yung kayo bang sunlight, pero ang hangin kay bugnaw kay guys.
So mangita sa mig kananan karon, guys. If na by open diri. Let's go.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful.
Nanami ticket. Sakay na ta silahang boat, and weather for today is kuan siya, medyo cloudy. Hopefully dili ra mo uwan og maayo, but we're excited to ride. Mo na siya ang mga boat, guys.
Yeah, medyo cloudy siya, guys. Then bugnaw kayo. So nay ginagmay nga talidsik. So muna siya, guys, atong sakyan, guys. So ang nasa kong kilid mo ni siya ang Sun Moon Lake. Nice kay, guys, no? Medyo na timingan lang, gloomy siya karon. But it's okay. Kaya nata sa Taiwan. Let's go.
So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Nami diri sakay na sa
Finally.
yacht.
Tawa. Nami sa yacht, guys. And pretty kaayo. Ang weather is Participate ang weather. Participate. Coordinate.
Ano yung view guys? Oh.
Oh, look at the view. Bon, nice kaayo. Wala pa na siya ni go.
Yeah, we're still waiting na lang. Hi guys, so naabot na mi sa Shuangguang Pier.
Yeah, lantawon sa kanindot ang ilahang water diri. Like grabe ka.
Damn.
Blue. Tinaw ka ayos ka na.
What a view guys! So guys, nanami sa Ita Shao.
Yes. Una yung second stop. Naadari ang cable car, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, excited.
So guys, nanami sa Ita Shao Harbor.
Yes.
This is our last stop before mo balik sa amo ang first nga pier.
Nindot siya kayo diri. And sa second stop, medyo giuwan na tagamay.
Yan.
But it's okay.
Yeah, iwan na.
Namin may payong. So
Payong.
make
So
sure
always,
na magdamog payong in case init or uwan, mag-change ang weather. So at least ba-prepared mo.
Yeah,
So, ang
they-
view you diri, it's really nice. Di ba?
yes, really nice.
And sa second stop, diri na mismo, naana ang cable car diri.
So, uwan-uwan na gid ron guys. And mananaw sa tag mga stores diri asa ta maka snacks or lunch ba later.
Yes.
Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, I'm so glad.
Cherry blossom sa unahan.
Yeah, we're just walking here. Medyo uwan-uwan gud siya guys.
Pero,
Amta jud mi guys, pero happy pa rin.
happy gyapon kaayo.
Kaya musakay mi og cable car. Grabe ninduta diri guys.
Yes, super.
As in.
Like,
Mas-
pang day 2 pa lang na mo ni but sulit yung kayo na mo and we don't wanna go home.
Yeah, mas try jud din sa Moon Lake guys.
Yes.
So, ang amo ang nakuha sa Klook guys, kay package na ni.
Yes.
Apil ang round trip ticket sa boat and ang round trip ticket sa
Cable car.
yes.
So, nga na siya kasulit and ang view you diri, like the best. Like every corner, tanan, picture perfect kaayo.
Yes.
Sometimes we all struggle, but when the sun hits my face, I think
Definitely close ang cable car karon for maintenance day.
Yeah.
So,
Hindi ka baw.
yeah.
Umin-inform.
Pamina-inform kay man dito Sunday man ang nasa Klook.
Oh, timing nga lang gid nga karon ilahang
Maintenance
maintenance day.
days.
But it's okay kay ang behind us kay ang cherry blossoms, di ba?
Yeah, so mag food trip na lang ta. And cherry blossoms. Let's go.
so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming when it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you.
Anay uwan!
Yes
It's so
guys,
clear,
anay
init na.
uwan guys.
Woo!
Ang aon sa tag lunch kaya
Yeah.
it's almost 1 p.m.
Gutom na sila in the foodie.
Tirik na ang araw guys.
Tirik na tirik ang araw pero malamig ang hangin. Ang nakanindot sa diri kay peaceful kay ba.
So na mga souvenir shops diri daghan. And pwede gid mo palit diri yung mga souvenirs. So, it's time to look for food.
I've been on hold now, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming when it feels so right to dance in the moonlight?
Lemonade. Thank you.
Can I get?
Got the goods. Uy, yummy. This is good.
Napait kita na.
So, palit sa tag sausage, guys.
Marunong ako Tagalog.
Wow.
Konti
Marami
lang.
kaibigan ko Pilipino sa dito.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mia jud sa Taiwanese sausage, guys. Yummy. Ako na lang voice over guys ha. Dirita mangaon sa HK style dim sum. Kaya nakakita mig braised beef noodles which is famous sa Taiwan. And nasad sila braised pork on rice. Let's go. So guys, ni-order me a beef noodle soup, pork rice, or also called as lurufan. Mura siyang kumba guys. Gagmay kay nga pan. Gagmay kay yung pork. So mura siyang lasang humba.
And mine is the beef noodle soup. Famous again sa Taiwan, di ba?
Yeah.
And it's flavorful. Taga siya gulay, in fairness. So, kay Cars Eater mang gibta. So, dapat na agi rice. Fairness sila mga pagkaon dito. Kaya dili sila himara. Pero, malasa gyapon kailang pagkaon, di ba? Like, di ba, mga Pinoy mo ganahan mo dito mga parat. But dili kayo silang hinahimarat. Pero lamig gyapon ang pagkaon.
On hold now, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming when it
So guys, nalubat na din sila in the foodie guys. Awon say eksperimento ani niya.
Nalupa, isa kayo na
Awon say eksperimento na niya guys. Nag wireless charging guys. Nga ako pod kalubaton.
yun na lang.
But when the sun's my face, I think of you.
So, nabalik kami diri sa main yun nga pier diri sa Sun Moon Lake. And so far, ang trip kay smooth, nice, and worth it kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
And natawa rin ang view. Labi na
Tawa lang, guys,
hayag ni Gid siya ba? Like, klaro yung kay ang color sa lake, sa water. It's really amazing good and highly recommended.
Yeah.
Di
So,
ba?
time check.
Time check, it's 2 o'clock in the
2 o'clock.
afternoon. So, madarag siya half day. So, since ayo pa man, we're going back to the city and mag-explore sa dito. So, that's
Yeah.
it for Sun Moon Lake. By the way, pwede sa rin mo mag-bike diri guys, but daghan na kayo may nabuhat nga activities and ganahan mi nga napamibuhaton sa city mismo kay layo ra bagid diri so para mabalik mi sayo.
Yeah,
That's
almost 2 hours nga biyahe.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And that's it for now. We'll see you on our next one.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Amping.
No matter what's in store, as long as you